In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cute wire headband using only 6 things. Here's what you need: a pair of scissors, measuring tape, fabric glue, scrap fabric, pliers and a piece of wire. Take a fabric that is 30 inches long and 5 inches wide. Fold the fabric and cut the corners as shown in this video. Then apply some fabric glue along the edges as shown here and fold the fabric in half. Then leave it aside until the glue dries completely. Take a wire that is 30 inches long and twist its edges using a plier as shown here to prevent it from poking out. Once the glue is completely dry, with the open end, turn the fabric of the headband right side out. Then you can insert the wire through the open end of the headband. Finally, seal that open end of the headband using some fabric glue and let the glue dry completely. Voila! You have your own cute wire headband now. Thanks for watching.